Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through the iBrief website. If you don't know already, this is a website that allows you to summarize any article using AI, and the best part is it's all for free. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at this home screen. At the top, you'll see the summary section where the AI magic happens. Next, you'll see 3 buttons to navigate to different sections, namely top articles, trending topics, and platform stats. Under the top articles section, you can see the top articles that were summarized for the week, including the amount of time that was saved per article, how long each summary will take to read, and how many views the summary has received. Next, you'll see trending topics, including the number of summarized articles under each topic. And lastly, you'll see platform statistics, including the number of summarized articles this week, time saved, and articles viewed. Now, let's get to the good stuff. To summarize an article, the first thing you'll need to do is grab the bookmarklet right here and drag it to your bookmarks bar. Now, find an article that you want to summarize. Once you found an article you want to summarize, simply click on the Summarize bookmarklet and the summary will open in a new tab. And voila, your article has been summarized. Once you've read through the summary, you can share it to social platforms or give it a thumbs up in the top right corner. Underneath your summary, you'll find relevant tags as well as stats, including the original word count versus the summary count, time saved, and views.